Hey guys, Jesse Knapp here for the Knapp Vemma team, and this video is just going to be me walking through how to get on all the different social networks, how to operate our Facebook documents, and all that kind of stuff. So we're first going to start by going to our web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, but no matter which browser you use, this all should work. So you're going to go up to your address bar up here, and you're going to type in knapp.vemma.com. Now this is the Vemma hosted website for the Knapp team. Now, as you can scroll down, you can see the why, you can see, just general Vemma things, and you can actually put your own posts on here, which Jim has not done yet. But this is just where you send people to go other places. This is the center of going places. So you can go start your business or shop now if you want to be a brand partner or a customer. This is a great place to send people once you've built your website, which I can do, and that'll be explained later. Great place to send people. If you can't sit down and talk to them for a half hour, just say, hey, go to knapp.vemma.com. You can check it out. You can shop. It's a great place to go. But if you're part of the Knapp team already, this is a useful place to go because you can go to our Facebook from here. So you go to this little Facebook icon right beneath his picture. You click on that, and it takes you to the Knapp Vemma team. Now, hopefully, somebody has added you to this team. There's quite a lot of people on here for the size of our group. But if not, you can always click on me. You can always put your mouse over me and message me and ask to be put in the group, and we'll figure that out. But assuming that you're on the group, and really the only reason you need to be a member of the group is so you can post things. But the most important part, there's two parts of it. First, you can see the updates here. There's not a lot of them because it's a relatively new Facebook page, but there's going to be continuous updates on this. Now, you can see here the master document. This is the top pinned post. This is where we want people to go. This document here is where we want our brand partners, our customers, everybody to really hang out. This is a great place to find everything you may need to know. So the very first one I put there is for new brand partners. And this document just kind of prevents them from doing anything atrocious. There's a lot of very negative things you can do and burn a lot of bridges and things like that, and we don't want to have that happen. So the very first most important thing is for new brand partners. This just tells you, hey, gives you some details on how to set up your account, how to make sure you are a brand partner, where to find good training, how to stay connected, that kind of thing. So we did a startup guide for the new brand partners. We've got a YouTube directory that I actually just created a couple of minutes ago because this is our inaugural YouTube video. And as we put up more YouTube videos and as we add more YouTube videos from other users, that's going to fill up this directory. The cool thing about using Google Docs, which is what I use on this, is it updates real time anywhere you find it. So anytime you go to that link, on this link, it is totally current. So anytime I see a YouTube video, I'll put it on here and it'll instantly be on there for all of the links. So we'll go back to our master document here and go to the third document, which is the most important one, I think, the frequently asked questions. Now, these are little tips and tricks and little details that can hold you back and, be a big stopping block in your progress. Things like QV and signing people up, moving from customer to brand partner, customer service, little account details. And at the bottom here, you can come right in here, if you've come from our Facebook page, and type your question directly into this document. I've changed the settings from the other documents so that anybody can edit this document. So as you can see right here at the bottom, this was where this was actually used without any initiative from our team, other than Jim Augustine, obviously. He wanted to buy in bulk and what are the costs. So, we did a little bit of research on that, and he left his name there, which is what we asked that you do. So just type in your question, leave your name, and probably within that day, because I check this document every day, your question will be answered, and we're going to leave up the questions because it's very likely that by the time you get to the bottom of this page, your question was answered. So that's the frequently asked questions page, and really some kind of support that you don't need to call Vemma for. So that's the document for now. We'll come back to this, but let's go to Twitter now. Now, if you have a Twitter account, it'll take you here. I have a Twitter account, so it took me here. Now, if you don't have a Twitter account, it'll either have a version of this page with a sign up button up here in the top right, or it'll just bring you to the sign up page. I'm not really sure which one of those, but it'll be one of those two. Now, after you've signed up, you may have to go back to the Vemma page and come here again, but it's gonna say follow right on this panel here. You'll put your mouse on that and click on it, and now you're following him. And Twitter is somewhat useful on the computer, not quite as useful as Facebook, but the really, really useful aspect of Twitter is its mobile capabilities. So we'll come here to the master document again, and we'll go to the technology document. Now this technology document is basically a written version of this video, but it also includes the instructions on getting Twitter updates. So if you have a smartphone, it tells you that you need to download the app, sign into your account, all the instructions on following it. But if you don't have a smartphone, which is the case with me, I don't have a smartphone, but I still get all of the team's Twitter updates and send some out through my dumb phone, you could call it. So, it's just very simple. It's a text messaging based thing with standard rates, and this will walk you right through that. So that's how to get on our YouTube channel, how to get on our Twitter, and how to get on our Facebook. Now, the website that I showed you, this knapp.vemma.com website, I'm going to put up a tutorial on how to build them, but if you would rather just have me build it, I most definitely would not blame you, because it's something of a lot of hoops to jump through, and it's more complicated than Vemma really would make it out to be. But either way, there are instructions here. I will send you a document, which is a little template of all the things you need to type in, and all the things that you need to give me. It's another Google document, just like that frequently asked questions thing. You go right in, you type in your sign-in information, you type in a little paragraph about yourself, and just send me some pictures, and then I will, do all of the little techie things to get your website live. Alright, that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you rate the video, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of these web tutorials. See ya.